My name is Bob Fuest, founder and CEO of Fuest & Klein Wealth Advisors. This is my snackable solution for finding income when interest rates are low. So many investors out there in the world are seeking income when rates on the bonds are so artificially deflated. And often they overlook some viable products that are on the market. First product out of two is preferred shares. They're typically issued by banks and insurance companies, but some industrials also. They offer attractive yields ranging anywhere from 4.5% upwards towards 7%, and there's a lot of them are issued by stable companies, and they're considered quasi-bonds. The second one, if you're searching for yield, since you can't find it in the bond market unless you're going into junk, and a lot of times people don't want to buy the bond market, is no cost, no commission, and very low administration fee variable annuities that are rolling out onto the market for people that have just had enough with the 8% upfront commissions and the 3 to 4% annual administration fee. The new funds that are available range as high as 1% annually. What this offers you with the no commission and the very low 1% or lower administration fee is better yield. And that's really great. This is my snackable solution. Bob Fuest, founder and CEO of Fuest & Klein Wealth Advisors.